guys, it's Christian. Oh, not. Oh, come on. Why do I keep messing it up in the intro? It's Lindo Chris, aka Christianator 638 here. And today I will be talking about this game called Five Nights at Freddy's, or FNAM. So I'll show you that game. I beat night 1, by the way. But I'm not gonna I'm gonna play only 1 hour of Five Nights at Freddy's, by the way. Just only 1 hour. For only 1 hour, by the way. So it will take you like this loading screen right here. It will have like your name, by the way. So it says, warning, this game contains flashing lights, loud noises, and lots of jump scares. Things to check before playing. So here are 4 rules you gotta need. So 5 actually. Make sure you're wearing headphones or earbuds for the best gameplay experience. Make sure your volume is turned up. You will need to listen for many things while playing. So that's what I did before, and it was actually quite okay at first, but then like when I got jump scared, I was actually pretty I got scared so much that I decided to like turn it down a little bit, but I could still hear things. Like what are they doing? So if this is your first time playing, it's greatly recommended to read how to play, which we're gonna get that to on later. If you are wearing headphones or earbuds, make sure they are in the correct ears. It is heavily advised to take breaks every now and then. Beta testers have found out that playing for too long can result in odd behavior. So I thought it was song looks interesting. Sounds interesting. So if y'all didn't know, I beat it night 2. So this is how to play. So these are the characters right here. We have Arnox, Aesthetic, Bath, Blook, Freak, Meg, Pin, Seth, and Sunny. So this is the first character, Arnox. Arnox will come from the east or west. When you hear her music, get louder, close the door. Aesthetic will move to the left or right or left. When she said to watch out, close the door corresponding to the side she's at. If she announces a surprise, close the opposite door. So at first, which point, I got confused actually. By the way, I got really confused, but now I got the hang of it. Bath will randomly appear in your office. When you see him, immediately open your camera. So Bath is like a character from FNAM sister location, like where it appears on your home, like on your security office, just like that. Blook will slowly get up for her resting spot. You have to continuously check on her. If you notice she's gone, quickly shut the right door. Freak will shriek across your screen. At random after closing your camera, quickly click on him before he reaches the end of the screen. So I keep clicking on him. I don't know how. May will approach from the front hall. Once she gets close the front door. Okay, Kyle will randomly appear and begin draining your power. If you guys are reading like the bottom here, it's cool to me. Just if you guys are interesting to play this game, it's totally fine to me. Just like don't get scared, by the way. So yeah, Pan will randomly appear on the 2 monitors in your office. If you see Pan on the monitors, quickly type Pan on your keyboard. Seth will randomly appear and begin draining the orange juice supply. Shock him to get rid of it. There is actually a orange juice, by the way. And Sunny's will randomly appear on your screen to block your view. There is no way to get rid of it. So yeah, I'm gonna play night 2, by the way. I'm just only gonna play it for like 2 hours or 1 hour, and that's it. Night 2, night 12, 12 in the morning. Okay.
Well, welcome back.
That's Aesthetic, by the way. Jeez, that shook me. At night 1, your juice is different. Okay, I hear Arnox's thing.
Get ready for the special surprise.
Okay, I know what she's saying. Oh. Be careful when I'm this one. I forget. That Seth comes out. Oh. That scared the crap out of me. Thank you. Oh, come on. Oh.
Watch out. I'm coming for you.
Oh, okay, never mind. What she said? Watch out. At 2 a.m. I will leave the game, I believe. Okay. So that's preview of what Five Nights at Melee will do. Like, you just gotta survive the night as usual, but you just gotta take care. At the first night, 7 animatronics will come, and the second one I believe is gonna be 6 or 8 because I haven't seen Pan right now. So that's just maybe it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.